Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Sharlrita Deloatch, your publishing expert, where we talk all things writing and publishing, all that good stuff. In today's video, I'm going to talk about Canva and their new feature called Magic Write, where you can use Canva to write your books for you, or at least your outline of your books. And I'm going to do a tutorial with you guys today. If you have not already, like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also click that bell because so you can be the first to know when I drop a new publishing and writing tutorial, all that information that you guys will need to help you to write your books faster. So let's get into it really fast. I have my Canva up here on my screen, and I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how you can get this done when it comes to you writing your book. Okay. Now, let me give you a disclaimer. I'm going to use this for you not to write your full book, but for you to get a cohesive outline. And we all know when you have a cohesive outline, it helps you to write your book faster. Also, we are using AI, which is artificial intelligence. I'm not new to talking about artificial intelligence, but I love it. And it's a great way to not replace you as a writer or to not replace your ghost writers. It's to really help to enhance your craft. So we're going to be doing that today. So if you have not signed up for Canva, you can sign up for Canva. Of course, you can use the link in my description to sign up. I use the pro feature. So I'm not sure if you can use this with the free feature. I am on the pro feature. Okay. So I actually pay yearly for my Canva account. So I suggest that you do the same. So you're not familiar with Canva, you'll go to canva.com, canva.com. And once you go to your home screen, you're all signed up. Go right here to where it says doc. Okay. As far as I know, this feature is rolling out to certain accounts. So everyone may not have this feature, but I've been having this feature for quite some time. Okay. So first things first, what you want to do is when you see the arrow pointing right here, you can write, your title. And I'm going to use the example about writing a book. Okay. So let's say I want to write a book on the 10 ways to write a nonfiction book. Okay, let's just say that I'm going to put that as my title. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy this and then I'm going to press the plus key here and I'm going to hit Magic Write. It automatically put it right there for me. So all I have to do is confirm it by pressing enter. Okay, so let's let it work. Do the magic. All right. All right, let's go. All right, there you go. There you go. So here are the 10 ways to write a nonfiction book. Again, it just gives you the 10 ways you can do this. What I would do, I would use these for chapter titles. I wouldn't use these exact words for titles. I will come up with titles for these. And let me show you guys something else. Let me show you. I know this is about Canva, but let me show you guys another tool that you can use in cohesive with Canva, which is called Smart Copy. You can use this as well. So they have a great feature as well. This is AI, and they actually will help you to come up with book titles. Okay, so it's Smart Copy. It's Smart Copy AI. I will put the link also in the description as well. So they have different templates, and they have an option for ebook templates. No, don't allow this to get you off topic. You ebook templates, book templates, you can use them all the same. So this is what I would do. Okay, if I were writing a book about writing a book, okay, and I would use these 10 things that Canva put out for me, and each one I will put inside of Copy AI to allow them to help me come up with a title. All right. So this is helping me to come up with chapter titles. All right. I'm not worried about the full book title right now. I'm just trying to come up with these chapter titles using Canva. Okay. So here are some chapter titles. So the first step to writing a book, which Canva gave us, they said start with research. Make sure that you have an understanding of the topic you're writing about. Do background reading, interview experts, and talk to people who have experienced the topic offhand. So I will use this. Maybe this could be a title. Write it right the first time. So that could be the name of it, the title of that chapter, and then you can expound upon. All right, expound upon research. So you can give some examples of research, how to research. You can use frequently asked questions around researching. Writing a nonfiction book that will go in that chapter. Okay. The same thing with the next one, create an outline. All right. So that will be the next step. So let's see what can we name that chapter. So let's use this doc here. Okay. So let's say chapter 1 is what we say, write it right the first time. Can't spell today. All right. So chapter 2 will be all about the outline. All right, and maybe we can name that simple. Let's see. What's some good ones? Outlining your book. I mean, that's just as simple as you can get. You can use that. Okay. So on and so forth. Let's do chapter. I don't know. Am I spelling this off today? Why is that? Okay. All right, chapter 3. Chapter 3 is all about writing a rough draft. So let's see if and it's just something you can play around with. Listen, when you use it, artificial intelligence is not the end all be all. It's a way for you to really get your juices flowing. Okay. So the next one, how to write your book in 30 days or less. I will, maybe that can be a chapter right there. Okay. So just take what Canva AI has given you, go to Smart Copy and go and get your titles. That's how you can come up with your titles. Use this as a outline. Okay, this is not the end all be all, but it helps you to get your juices flowing. Now, let me give you something simple that you can do with each chapter. You can answer the questions as to what, why, how, what, why, maybe when. Okay, what, why, how, when inside of the chapter. So, for example, chapter 1, we're talking about doing the research. What is research? Why does somebody need to research before they write their book? How do you do the research? When do you do the research? Answering those questions in each chapter, that would make it so much easier for your writing. All right. Now, this is an easy way that you guys can get this done. Have your book done in less than 30 days. With the rise of AI, there's no excuse for you not to get your book done. Okay. So if you have any major questions, put them down in the comments. Let me know. Do you plan to use this feature? Do you have access to this feature? This is also a great feature you can use for your video content, but I was doing this specifically for my authors because I'm with y'all. I'm trying to make things easier for you. I use Smart Copy AI, which is in the description, and Canva, which is in the description. Get it done, get your book done, and it's on and popping from here. Okay. So again, thank you guys so very much for viewing my YouTube video. Any questions, put them down below and let's have a conversation about AI. Okay. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.